What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Today we're tackling the tires and wheels on the Honda Civic here, as well as some stuff that goes in the trunk. But let's jump straight into today's video. We're going to be replacing the front two tires really quick, as well as we got some stuff for the trunk. So let's get these front tires off, let's get down to the tire shop, and let's get some new tires thrown on this car. Alright, with those two front tires, you guys can see they are getting quite bad, so we picked up two brand new tires to go on the front of this car. So let's head down to the tire shop, get these new tires thrown on these old wheels, and then we got one more surprise to make them look a little bit better. But let's run down to the tire shop. Guys, really quick, if you're new here and you're enjoying the content, make sure you hit that subscribe button. At 5,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing a giveaway, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. But let's jump right back into the video. Alright guys, we just dropped off the tires at the tire shop. We need to run into our local Ace and grab two bolts for this quarter panel extension. The old one was all crunched up, so I bought a new one, painted it, looks a lot better. So let's go find two bolts in here at our local Ace. Alright guys, side quest accomplished. We've got two nuts here, $1.40. We'll go ahead and add that to our total. Alright, you guys can see it's obviously not perfect. This is where the damage was and why it's a rebuilt title. But over the old one that was rusting, completely morphed and had some dents in it, I think this one looks a lot better, having a nice paint job, and there's not crazy dents in it and no rust. So now that we've got that on, let's go ahead and tackle the wheels once and for all. Let's get the fronts thrown on, and let's get this baby back on all four tires. Alright, with the fresh new tire on the front here, it's time to jump to the rear, and we need to remove the old hubcaps because there was only two of them, and we've got a set of all four, so let's go ahead and get those removed. Alright, now we've got all four wheels with no hubcaps. Let's go ahead and throw on the hubcaps, and let's check out the before and after of these wheels. Now that we've got all four of the tires on the car situated, I did pick up a spare tire for the trunk because it was missing. We want the new owner to not have any issues if they get a flat tire. Alright guys, well there we have it. We've got the trunk all set up, we've got two new front tires as well as the hubcaps on the Civic, and overall I think it's looking pretty dang good. Now we are going to have one more video that comes out next week, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But if you have been enjoying this video series, make sure you hit that like button and let me know in the comments section your favorite part about the Honda Civic. And also, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the future uploads. But I think that's going to wrap up today's video, so we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.